Hello guys, today I've bought some very good news for you, and this is one of the best thing I have recently come across in Instagram, and I've seen people are enjoying it a lot. So let me introduce you Hashna. Hi Hashna.
Hello everyone.
Yeah. So this is Hashna, and over to you. Please explain about your Insta page, what is the business you are running, and what are the products you sell.
Yeah. So I have recently started a small business out of my passion. I'm running it through my Instagram page. Sorry, not mine. I have made a separate one which is called Rooh-E-Zewar.
Rooh-E-Zewar, what does it mean?
It's not Savior, it's Zewar. Rooh-E-Zewar.
Rooh-E-Zewar. Okay, so it sounds bit different. What does it mean?
It means soul of ornament.
Soul of ornaments. Wow, it really sounds very well. So, what actually you sell?
Yeah, I have got different kind of artificial jewelry. As of now, I'm focusing mainly on necklaces. So
Necklace.
which are mainly hand picked.
Oh,
Yeah.
sounds good. I'm not able to control because the way you told, I want to see them right away. Also, how do we purchase and what is the process?
Yeah, I have got as of now my own Instagram page for this, and I will be launching a website soon for this separately.
Okay.
But now you can DM me directly, and I'll be sending it over.
Got it.
Yeah.
You heard it, guys. So I'll keep the Instagram page in the description. Before we continue, please like, share, subscribe the video, and let's get started.
Sure.
Yes, guys. So the moment is here. Hashna, could you please show us your products?
Yeah, so shall we start with the minimal one?
Okay.
So this is the one piece which I have. Is it like a invisible chain? So once you wear it, you won't be seeing this chains, but you could see this beautiful pendant. So this can be easily worn with a salwar suit, saree, whichever you want, because this is a minimal one, and you could see the color combo, red and green.
Yeah, it looks so
Who doesn't
beautiful.
love that?
Correct,
Yeah.
correct.
So this is one piece, and we do have different patterns in that.
Okay.
This is some other pattern like comes with the same color combo but different pattern.
Okay.
Yeah. And we do also have Korean chains.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's interesting.
Yes, I think most of the Gen Z people or even the millennials does love this Korean chains because we could wear this with even traditional as well as modern dresses or whatever it is. So yeah, we have this and one more pattern. You could see the difference in the
Okay.
lockets. It's beautiful.
Nice, nice,
Yeah.
nice.
And lotus necklace.
Nice.
These are the lotus necklace which can be easily worn with again saris or salwars, whatever it is. It's like minimal and cute.
Okay, okay. So these are, like they can wear it to office, they can go wear it to functions, they can go for a movie.
Yes.
These are pretty, they look so simple and they look so affordable. And how about, like, do you also have something in traditional, like temple jewelry or, different types of where you want to go for a temple or some kind of ratham in home? So do you also have that kind of?
Obviously, we do have wide ranges of
Oh,
necklaces.
nice. Good
Yeah,
to hear
I'll
that.
show you one by one. As we said, we have got some good traditional collections also.
Okay.
So you could see this is a beautiful lotus harem. It comes in antique collections.
Okay.
So see, you can wear it very nicely with some Banarasi sari or whichever sari you want.
Okay.
And also we have a pair of jhumka which comes along with this.
Oh, nice. So it comes as a whole set.
Yep, correct.
Nice.
So you know what is one specialty of our page?
Okay.
It's affordable. Everything comes under 1,000 range.
Nice. I was thinking maybe, after seeing these all pieces, maybe I'm expecting somewhere like 3K or 4K.
No.
But, everything comes under
Yes.
1K is really affordable. And as I can see, I can feel, it's very heavy. Like,
Yes.
you don't even feel like you're wearing some normal roadside kind of ornaments. But this is really good. Like, it's heavy and it looks so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is so cute.
We do have long harems also like this.
Oh. Nice.
Yeah. This is actually a lightweight one, but when you wear it, it doesn't feel like it is lightweight. Some heavy jewelry, easily it's like a gold look like.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
And a pair of jhumkas also,
Yeah,
you
they
know.
are really cute. These
Yeah.
jhumkas, it is looking so cute, and it quietly matches with the harem which you have shown.
Correct. And we
Yeah,
do
it is.
have this short length harem, a
Oh,
similar
okay.
pattern. Yeah.
Nice, nice. It is really good. And how many different types of ornaments you have currently?
We have multiple. It's like South Indian collections, North Indian collections. It's like a mixed of collections.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice, nice, nice. Okay, Hashna, we want to know what is the most demanding item in your page, and could you please show us that?
Sure.
Okay.
This one, this
Okay.
beautiful choker.
Yeah, it looks
You know
really
what?
cool.
These are recently trending on Instagram and everywhere. College people love to wear this during, they will be having multiple occasions. So, this is the most selling item in our page.
Okay.
And we have got different patterns for this. This is one, and this is the another one which comes in different color.
Hmm.
Also, we do have earpiece for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's a one-stop solution. The
Correct.
moment I get a set, all matching jhumka and even choker comes, right? It's
Correct.
really good. Yeah, you have multiple variants in it. It is really cool.
Okay. So, I'll ask you a question. Do
Yes.
you know what is this called?
This one, who doesn't know, dude? Even my mom has. This is called Kasulu Peru in Andhra. So people love this, wearing it. And if you want to buy the same item in real gold, that would be costing lakhs and lakhs of rupees, as gold have skyrocketed recently.
Yeah.
And how about this product, selling in your page?
It is super hit.
Oh,
Yeah,
good to
because
hear.
especially I got multiple orders for this one, particularly from South Indian side, and it's
Okay.
going super.
Yeah, so good to hear that.
Yeah.
Cut. Okay. What's the next item?
This one, this beautiful bridal neck piece. So this is the one which gets easily stocked out,
Oh,
because as you can see the details here, which is now trending, like for the brides, whoever is getting married, they will be choosing at least one neck piece which looks heavy.
yeah, correct.
And if you buy this or if you wear this, only this is enough.
It's so heavy, dude.
Yes,
like,
it is.
I'm just thinking that it is so plain, lightweighted, but it is really heavy. And also, it comes with jhumka,
Yeah,
matching jhumka. It is really good.
Doesn't it look
No.
like a golden look like?
It looks exactly like a gold. I was surprised, after seeing this item. And it is really one of the exclusive pieces I've seen, Hashna, today. It is really good.
Thank you.
Hashna, you are showing all the items in gold color, the antique or the modern kind of things, even the Korean sets. How about having, something like in silver color? People always love to wear it, for the night parties and all. Do you have them?
Yes, obviously. How about this Hathi set?
Yeah, it looks so cute. The
Yeah,
elephants,
it is cute
really
for
good.
all those elephant lovers.
Uh-huh.
And before you ask,
Okay.
we have got a matching ear stud with this.
Nice. Even those are baby
beautiful
elephants.
Stone studded. Yeah, it is.
Mm.
So there are no questions like, do you have got this or that? We
Okay.
have got you covered.
Nice, nice. Good to hear about that. Ashna, you have a huge collection and it all looks so amazing. So how do we keep track and how do we order? Could you please explain in detail to our subscribers?
Yeah, so whomsoever wants to order or want to know more details on this, he will be sharing the link in his bio. You can go through it and directly DM to that page.
Yeah. So is there any special offer for our viewers?
Definitely.
Yeah, good to hear, guys. So as you heard it, you have to do couple of tasks, that is like, share, subscribe to my channel, and you have to share this video to her DM in Insta page, which I will be sharing in the description. Then you will be having special discount. Don't forget it and keep rocking. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.